lot of people, I vote for Mr. Modi and for BJP, and I vote for Mr. Modi, not for the candidate of my constituency. I vote for Mr. Modi. जो मैं बहुत सुनती हूँ ये कि उतना हिंदुत्व पे काम नहीं हो रहा जितना होना चाहिए. That's what I hear. And lot of people complain, but I feel हम तभी तक safe हैं जब तक Mr. मोदी है. उसके बाद जो भी आए, मतलब चाहे योगी जी, अमित शाह, जो भी आए, मुझे लगता है हिंदू safe हैं जब तक बीजेपी है. How true is this?
What does it even mean? इतना हिंदुत्व नहीं किया है. The Ram Temple is a living example that the BJP said हम मंदिर बनाएंगे, बनाया है. What else? What else will give them the Hindu credentials? At the end of it, we are a secular democracy, right? We're not a Hindu nation. We're a secular democracy that happens to have a Hindu majority. We can't run roughshod over the other people because you have to keep the nation. You have to carry them along, and you have to keep the nation united. That is not a negotiable point. Within that framework, what was happening before this was a perversity because it was not secularism, it was appeasement of a certain section, which passed off as secularism. That's why I call it perverse. What this government has done is it has made a level playing field that what is valid, applicable to you is also applicable to me. And that is what true secularism is. So if you expect anything more and if you expect, rara riots on the streets, that is not the way forward for our nation. It can't be the way forward.
And you defeat the purpose.
Yes, you defeat the purpose.
So I think this, this sudden greed for,
impatient,
but impatience without giving it thought.
No, and to me, as a Hindu, as an Indian, I'm so proud that every step of the way, the Ram Temple followed due process. A civilization waited for 500 years to get what was there right and faced assault from abroad and from within. And yet they prevailed. And for everything that we have to reclaim, we will go the legal path, the right path. It takes time. It is frustrating because sometimes the delays are very long. But realistically, that is the only way now. And also when you point fingers at others, you have to also look within. For instance, there is this Vrindavan corridor that they're going to try and push through. But look at the opposition from within. ये फलाना खराब हो जाएगा, भक्ति चली जाएगी. It is nonsense. It is because you're your own enemy. I have seen the Kashi corridor before. I've seen Kashi Vishwanath before, and I've seen it after the corridor.
Yes.
If you're telling me going through ganda gullies with overflowing sewers and having cow dung and litter all around is bhakti, then I'm sorry, that is not Hinduism. Hinduism values cleanliness. To have purity, you also have to have swachhata. It's not divorced from each other. And right now, the Baki Bihari corridor also needs a similar cleanup.